Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to German Pro. Happy learning at home. So today we're going to do a new concept. We're starting from the book. So we will be doing this book, Studio Day 1, Deutsch als Fremdsprache, Kurs und Übungsbuch. This is same as Übungs means exercise. So course and Arbeitsbuch, like that, working book. So okay, firstly we'll understand these symbols. I'll zoom a little bit. These are the symbols that we have to first understand. The CD, you can see this is related to that particular exercise, which is a Hörübung, means listening exercise. Hörübungen. And this one, the next one, is related to the speaking exercise with the partner. And the third one is Übung zur Automatisierung, means this is related with the partner. Kind of a competition. And the next one is focus auf Form. Okay, this is the sign for on which you have to focus on the word and the sentence structures, like basically on the grammar part. Okay, we'll be moving forward with our first chapter, which is Start auf Deutsch. In this you will learn Themen und Texte. This is the exercise Deutsch sehen und hören erste Kontakte. You will learn the contacts, the Lied, Postkarte, internationale Wörter, Deutsche Namen means international words, and the German names. And this is related to the speaking, Sprachhandlungen, in which you will learn the international words while listening to the audios and while speaking exercises in German. And Deutsch verstehen, understanding German. Jemanden begrüßen means greeting someone. Jemanden begrüßen sich. Und andere vorstellen means to know someone, nach Namen und Herkunft fragen. Asking someone questions to know more about someone and telling about yourselves and asking the questions again. Buchstabieren means you will learn the spellings in the first chapter. When we do the second chapter, we'll talk about that. Firstly, this is the same, like what we have to learn. In the grammatic part, we have to learn in the first chapter, Start auf Deutsch, das Alphabets. We have to learn the alphabets. What Kennzeichen Namen means the name of the Germans. International words in Texte finden Wörter sortieren. Okay, fangen wir an jetzt mit Kapitel 1, das ist the Start auf Deutsch. Deutsch sehen und hören. What you have to do in the first exercise, you have to see the pictures, and pictures is still here on the next page also. Till K, A from K, we have the pictures. So you have to Bilder und Wörter. In the first one, you have to mark the words with the correct picture, match the words. So picture. So I am going to tell you the meaning of all the words here. Musik is music. Reichstag, Berlin is the place. Touristen means tourist. Bureau means office. Supermarkt is supermarket. And telephone is the international word. And remember, all the international words has the article das. That is a neutral form. So in the earlier we have learned that in this we will learn international words. So telephone is the one of them. Okay, music is the exception. Article of music is die Musik, and telephone has the article das. Okay, and next is Kurs means course. Rhein Main Airport. This is the name of the airport, name of the place, Rhein Main Airport on the Frankfurt. Cafe means coffee. Computer, you know. Cafeteria, you know. Opera is the opera. And espresso is a kind of a coffee. Airbus. Now this is the thing that you have to pay attention on. What is the Airbus? This is the aeroplane we call the Airbus. So why they have named it so easy? Because it's just a beginning. So that's why they have named it Airbus. Otherwise we say Flugzeug to the aeroplane. Flugzeug. This is the easiest. This is just beginning. So they have just named aeroplane in a very easy way. Air means the air and bus. So Airbus is an airplane. Okay, Euro is the currency of Germany. Orchestra, you know this. Schule is school. So hope you noted down all the meanings of all the words. So in the next one, we have to do wie heißen die Wörter in ihrer Sprache. So you have to tell the things in your language, the things that you have learned earlier. Most of that are international. So it's an option if you want to do it. Okay, we have next Bilder und Töne. Hören Sie, wo ist das? Was kennen Sie? Wörter in Ihrer Sprache. So I am going to play an audio. You have to listen to it and write where the person is and the place that you know. For example, if the person says I am at home, so you know home, so you have to write the person column and then the thing that you know. You can divide it. So person is at home and then they go to the market, so you know supermarket, so you will write that. So I'm going to play the audio now.
Studio D A1. Copyright Cornelsen Verlag Berlin 2005.
Start auf Deutsch 1-3.
Meine Damen und Herren, vor uns das Brandenburger Tor, ein Symbol für Berlin. Links das Parlament, das Reichstagsgebäude. Rechts das neue Hotel Adlon. Wir sind jetzt auf der Straße. Firma Intershop, guten Morgen.
Hallo Nadine. Hi Claudia, wie geht's? €5,30 bitte.
Unser Tipp heute: marokkanische Orangen, das Kilo €3,20. Bananen, das Kilo €2,80. Kiwis aus Neuseeland, 20 Cent pro Stück.
Herr Reimann, bitte zum Lufthansa-Schalter. Es liegt eine Information für Sie vor. Mr. Reimann, please contact the Lufthansa counter. There's a message for you. Lufthansa Flug LH349 nach Zürich. Wir bitten die Passagiere zum Ausgang. Lufthansa Flight LH349 to Zurich, now ready for boarding.
Okay, so I hope you have noted it down. So I am going to tell you the answers now. In the first one, they have said the person is on Burger Tour. There is a tower called Burger Tower. So, and he's showing us the Gebäude, means the buildings. Gebäude is the buildings. And in the second one, they have said Firma, means company of Intershop. Firma Intershop. They are speaking from Firma Intershop. So you have to note it down the words that you have understood or that you don't even know. You have to note it down that as well, so that you will learn a new word. So in the next one, they have said that they are in the supermarkets. They didn't say directly supermarket, but by the dialogues we can understand that the thing is going around in the supermarket. Why? Because they are giving the offers. Tomaten is 20 Euro. Like they are giving the offers that tomatoes is on the sale of this rupees, like that. And the next one is the person is on airport. The plane will be boarding, or maybe on the Bahnhof, on the railway station, you can say. Yeah, I hope you understand the thing. Next one is Fürsprechen. This is about the self-communication. If you know the little bit introduction, how to introduce yourself in German, then you can do this with your partner, or even you don't have any partner, you can do it by standing in front of the mirror. I have already uploaded a video how to introduce yourself in German, and even you can watch the live videos, live classes, so that you will get to know how to introduce yourself and how to know someone else in German. You're asking the questions. Putting questions is most important. Okay, in the fourth one, we have to listen to the audio, and then we have to find out which person is come from Deutschland. So I'm playing the audio, you have to listen to it and note it down the name of the person, which person comes from the Germany.
1.
Allora, ciao, mi chiamo Giulia Giannetti, vengo da Genova in Italia.
2,
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Марина Заусаева, я из России, из города Барнаула.
3,
Hallo, mein Name ist Jan Fleckenstein und ich komme aus Jena in Thüringen.
4,
大家好，我叫何春燕，我来自中国。
Okay, I hope you got the answers. The third person comes from Germany. Okay, we are going to do this in the next class. Till then, take care. Cheers.